Happy morning, children. We are starting with practice set 7.3, question number 10. 38 people donated to an organization working for differently abled persons. The amount in rupees is given to you. This data is given to you. We have to prepare group frequency distribution table. And classes also given to you. As you can see, 100 to 149, 150 to 199, 200 to 249. It's given to you. And seeing these classes, remaining classes you have to write. And now, one more question has been asked from the table. Find the number of people who donated rupees 350 or more. So, here you have been given 500. See here 500 is there. In the first line if you see 500. Second line, biggest number greater than 500. Can you see? I don't think so. Greater than 500 here. Third line also. The greatest score is 500. So I have taken here the classes. 100 to 149. 150 to 199. 200 to 249. 250 to 299. And as I said, 500 to 549. This way you have to take the classes. It is not at all difficult. First three is already given to you. Seeing the first three, you can write 2. After 249, what comes? 250. 250 to 299. Then 300. So these classes, if you see, upper limit is not equal to lower limit. Upper limit is not equal to lower limit. So these are inclusive classes. Now, here 149. Again 149 is not given. In continuous classes, we are given upper limit is equal to lower limit. Here it's not given. So 100 and 100 is the lower class limit. 149 is the upper class limit. Both these scores will be included in this class only. Same for the remaining classes. So there won't be any confusion. You don't have to see it again where you have put the tally mark. So this is a very simple and easy one which you can do. So just first line, I'll just show it to you. See, 101 is the score given. So it will come in the class 100 to 149. 500. 500 where it will come? Here. 500 to 549. So it will come here. Okay. Next. After 500 you are having 401. 201. 301. 160. 210. 125. 175. 190. 450. 151. 101. 351. 251. Here this score 251. 451. 151. 260. 360. 410. 150. 125. 161. 195. Third line 351. 170. 225. 260. 290. 310. 360. 425. 420, 100, 105, 170, 250 and 100. So I have completed tally mark. Now we have to write frequency. So the first is here 7, next 10, 3, 5, 2, 4, 4, then 2, 1. This way you have to prepare group frequency distribution table. And what is n? Here we will write n is equal to 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 27, 31, 35 and 38. So n is equal to 38. That is total frequency. Now one question has been asked. This we will see. From the table, find the number of people who have donated rupees 350 or more. This also answer we will write. See here, from here it starts. The number of persons donating rupees 350 or more is. So here you see 350 to 399. How many are there? How many persons are there? 4. 4. Plus, now above 350 you want. So in these classes, what frequency is given? 4. 450 to 499, 2. 500 to 549, 1. So this frequency is what? It is about number of persons who have donated a certain amount. So above 350, how many persons have contributed rupees 350 or more? So we will not consider till here. Okay, number of persons till here we will not consider because we want 350 or more than that. So here till 549 we have taken. 500 to 549 only one has donated. So this also we have taken one person. 2 we have taken. 450 to 499, 2 persons. 400 to 449, 4 persons. And 350 to 399, 4. So this is above 350. So we are adding all this. So what answer we are getting? 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So there are 11 persons who have donated above rupees 350. 350 or above it. This way you have to write the answer. Full statement should be written. So with this we have completed practice set 7.3. Most of the examples I think I have completed.